Welcome to the Daily English Podcast, where we make learning fun and engaging.
Hello, future fluent speakers. Welcome back to Daily English Potcast1. I am Emily.
And I am Paul. Hello, friends. Emily, today I am a little bit afraid
Afraid? Why, Paul?
because we are talking about robots, artificial intelligence, AI. Is it going to take my job? Is it going to replace English teachers?
That is the big question. But Paul, AI is not here to replace you. It is here to be your 24/7 tutor.
A tutor that never sleeps and never gets angry when I make mistakes?
Exactly. Today, we're going to show you how to use AI like ChatGPT, Gemini, and others to skyrocket your English fluency.
No textbooks today, just us and the machine.
We have 20 phases to turn you into an AI-powered learner. Let's boot up. Phase 2, choosing your tool.
There are so many. Which one is best for English?
The most famous is ChatGPT. It is great for conversation.
What about Gemini? That is Google's AI.
Gemini is fantastic because it connects to the internet in real time.
And Claude?
Claude is known for very natural, human-like writing.
So do I need to pay?
No, the free versions are powerful enough for learning English. You don't need to spend money to start.
Okay, I have my account ready. What do I do now?
Phase 3 is the most important part of this whole video, prompt engineering.
Prompt. That is the text I type into the box, right?
Yes, if you give a bad prompt, you get a bad answer.
Bad prompt. Teach me English.
Too vague. The AI doesn't know your level.
Good prompt.
Act as an English teacher. I am a B1 level student. Please correct my sentences and explain my mistakes.
Ah, you gave it a persona. You told it who to be.
Exactly. Always tell the AI, act as a strict teacher or act as a friendly conversation partner.
Okay, I want to learn new words. Phase 4.
Don't just ask for a list of words. Lists are boring.
So I shouldn't say, give me 10 words about food.
No, ask for a story.
Write a short story about cooking dinner using 10 advanced adjectives.
Yes, then the AI gives you the context. You see how the words are used.
And if I don't know a word?
Ask, explain this word to me like I am 5 years old.
That is my favorite prompt. Simple English explanations.
Phase 5 is for fixing your broken sentences, the grammar doctor.
Usually, I just use Google Translate.
AI is better. Paste your sentence and say, fix my grammar.
But wait, I want to learn why it was wrong.
Then add, and explain the rule.
Example, I go to the store yesterday. AI correction, I went to the store yesterday. Explanation, we use went because it is the past simple tense.
It is like having a teacher sitting on your shoulder.
But Emily, I want to speak, not just type.
Phase 6 is the game changer, voice mode.
Most AI apps on the phone have a microphone button now.
You can talk to it, and it talks back in a human voice.
Is it robot voice? Hello, Paul.
No, it sounds scary real. It laughs, it pauses, it breathes.
So I can have a coffee chat with my phone.
Yes. Just say, let's have a conversation about travel. You ask me questions and I answer. Phase 7 is where we use our imagination, role play.
I love acting.
Tell the AI, let's do a role play. You are a waiter at a fancy restaurant in London. I am a difficult customer. Start the scene.
Oh, that is fun. Excuse me, my soup is cold.
And the AI will respond, I am terribly sorry, sir. Let me warm that up for you.
This is perfect practice for real life.
You can role play anything, job interviews, doctor's appointments, dates.
Phase 8. Can AI hear my accent?
It is getting better every day.
How do I use it for pronunciation?
Ask the AI to write sentences with difficult sounds. Give me sentences with the TH sound.
The 33 Thieves thought.
Then use the voice mode to say it. If the AI understands you, your pronunciation is good.
If the AI writes the dirty tree free, then I know my pronunciation is bad.
Exactly. It's a feedback loop.
Phase 9, writing assistant, not cheating. Is it cheating if AI writes it for me?
If you copy-paste, yes, you learn nothing.
So how do I learn?
Write your email first, even if it is bad. Then paste it into AI and say, proofread this and make it sound more professional.
Ah, so I compare my version to the AI version.
Yes, you look at the changes and say, oh, that is a better word.
It is collaboration, not cheating.
Phase 10, reading difficult news.
Sometimes I try to read the BBC or CNN and it's too hard, too many big words.
Copy the article, paste it into AI.
And say, rewrite this at an A2 level.
Boom, the AI keeps the story but changes the vocabulary to simple words.
So I can read the news and actually understand it.
Yes, this is called graded reading. You make the world fit your level.
I want to sound cool. Phase 11.
Textbooks are often old. They teach old slang.
It is raining cats and dogs. Nobody says that anymore.
Ask the AI, what are some modern Gen Z slang words used in 2026?
Or teach me 5 idioms about business that people actually use.
It will give you touch base, loop me in, low-hanging fruit, real English, not textbook English.
I'm lazy. I need a schedule. Can AI be my manager?
Yes, prompt, create a 4-week study plan for me. I have 30 minutes a day. I want to focus on business English.
And it makes a calendar.
Day 1, learn email vocabulary. Day 2, listen to a podcast. Day 3, grammar quiz.
Wow, no more excuses. I have a plan.
Phase 13. Can I just ask it to translate my language to English?
You can, but it is a trap.
Why?
Because you are still thinking in your native language.
So what is the alternative?
Ask for definitions in English.
Instead of what is gato in English, I ask define cat in simple English.
Keep your brain in English mode. Use translation only for emergencies. Phase 14 is for getting a job.
This is stressful.
Paste the job description into the AI.
Okay, then what?
Say, I am interviewing for this job. Ask me 5 tough interview questions.
And then I practice answering them.
You can even paste your answer and ask, is this a good answer? How can I improve it?
It is like having a career coach for free. Studying is boring. I want to play. Phase 15.
Turn AI into a game show host.
Prompt. Quiz me on prepositions. Give me one question at a time. Don't give me the answer until I guess.
AI. I am sitting blank the chair. In or on?
On.
Correct. Next question.
It makes learning fun. I can do this on the bus.
Phase 16. Don't ignore your errors.
When AI corrects me, I usually just say, okay, and move on.
No. Ask, what is my most common mistake?
Can it do that?
If you have a long chat history, yes. Based on our conversation, what grammar point do I need to study?
Paul, you always forget the S on third-person verbs.
That is customized feedback. No classroom teacher can give you that instantly.
Phase 17. Listening.
Most AI apps have text-to-speech, or TTS.
So I can ask it to write a story and then listen to the story?
Yes, write a scary story about a haunted house, then press the speaker button.
I can listen to it while I wash the dishes.
And you can ask it to speak slower or faster. Phase 18, cultural context.
Language is culture.
Sometimes I understand the words but not the joke. Paste the text and ask, is this culturally appropriate in the USA, or is this rude?
Like sarcasm. Sarcasm is hard.
AI can explain the tone. This sentence is sarcastic because...
That saves me from embarrassing moments. Phase 19. Is AI perfect?
No, it can hallucinate.
Hallucinate, like seeing ghosts?
It means it makes up facts. Sometimes it gives wrong grammar rules. Rarely, but it happens.
And it doesn't have a heart.
Exactly. It cannot replace the connection of talking to a real human friend.
Use AI to practice, use humans to connect.
Phase 20, the conclusion.
We have the tools, we have the prompts.
I want to give our listeners a challenge.
The 7-Day AI Challenge.
For the next 7 days, spend 10 minutes a day talking to AI.
No apps, no games, just conversation.
Ask it questions, correct your emails, role-play a coffee date.
And tell us in the comments what is the craziest thing you asked your AI.
Thank you for joining the future of learning with Daily English Podcast 1.
Don't fear the robot, use the robot.
Like, subscribe, and prompt.
Bye-bye.